The 2001-2005 Pontiac Aztek uses a transponder key system, also known as pass lock or VATS, designed to prevent vehicle theft. The key contains a microchip that communicates with the car's immobilizer using radio frequency identification, or RFID. When inserted into the ignition, the passive RFID chip responds to a challenge from the immobilizer. The system uses PK3+ encryption to secure the communication. While this encryption was once secure, it has been cracked, making the keys vulnerable to cloning. If the code doesn't match, the engine remains locked out. Programming a key yourself is generally legal for vehicle owners, but commercial use without authorization is not. Always prove vehicle ownership when programming to avoid theft-related issues. Devices like the Tango TX or OBD2 adapters can be used for DIY programming. Smartphone apps with OBD2 integration also support key programming for these systems. To program a new transponder key for your 2001-2005 Pontiac Aztek, you'll need a few basic materials: a blank transponder key available online for $10 to $20, an OBD2 programming device like the Tango TX, and an existing working key for reference. First, access the OBD2 port located under the dashboard. This is where you'll connect your programming device. Next, enter programming mode by cycling the ignition switch 5 to 10 times within 10 seconds using your working key. Finally, sync the blank transponder key by following the prompts on your OBD2 device. The device will communicate with the vehicle's immobilizer to program the new key. Common issues include pass lock sensor problems, which can be reset through the OBD2 device, and faulty body control modules that may need replacement, costing $200 to $500. There's also a risk of bricking the immobilizer, so always ensure you have a working key as reference. DIY programming typically saves around $180 compared to dealership costs of $100 to $300 per key. Remember to have the physical key professionally cut if using a blank. Always double-check connections to avoid errors.